Greetings everybody, I am back at Universal Studios Hollywood and I've got some stuff to show you on the tram tour. So let's roll that intro. Holy free holies, it seems like a quiet day here in the park. Oh my gosh, I'm just walking down the main street here, which I still don't know what it's called. I see Marilyn Monroe in the distance there. Hi Marilyn, how you doing? But yeah, it might be kind of chill, but also I'll probably show off a few of the Halloween Horror Nights stuff that's popping up all over the park here, but that's gonna be a future video. Hi Marilyn. Yep, there's Marilyn right over there, meeting and greeting everybody. Looks like only 20 minutes for Forbidden Journey. Wow. Okay, maybe it is a bit more of a chill day here. Oh, and then look, a troll's coming out. Looks like everybody's coming out. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this nice guy right here. The Sideshow Slaughterhouse. Okay, that's terrifying. Oh my goodness. If only there was some sort of young group, kids and a dog that could save me. Oh, maybe Scooby-Doo. Look at him. Oh, Scooby's pointing at the clown. There we go. Yeah. And Hello Kitty's behind Scooby. Oh, Scoob. That's great. Look at him. The celebrities, they're just dropping by. That's what happens when you come to Universal Studios Hollywood. You never know who you're gonna see. Oh, and the last time I was here, actually, I was streaming, and this was all open that you could see, so it looks like they have curtains up to kind of maintain the illusion, as it were. But no, stop getting distracted. We're going to the tram tour. Popping by the studio tram tour. Last tour departs at 5:15. That's why I want to get here a little bit early, just to make sure I could be here for this, because there's a few new things on there I can't wait to show you. Dang, just walking up, Express kicked in, and I'm glad it did, because oh boy, it's quite a busy line for the studio tram tour. But not for me. Oh, not for me, thank you. Sitting in the back right, just enjoying the view. Oh, it's so nice.
Who's that? George?
Oh,
George, what
we're
are
back
you
in Amity.
doing in there? Get out of there, George! No, don't leave me, George. George, don't leave me. I can't believe this. Now I have to change my relationship status on Facebook. Why did you do that to me, George? All right, folks, that's it. I'm super traumatized right now. Let's get out of here, okay? Let's go. Faster. Hello? Why are we stopping? Oh no, we're stuck. And that's moving. This is getting worse.
There he is. Here comes the big boy. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh. Okay, be cool. Be cool. I like it. Oh, Amity. Got some Halloween Horror Night stuff for the Terror Tram.
The Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo and the Ford Classic from Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho.
Hi, Norman.
In War of the Worlds,
you went to go see his mom. Isn't that nice?
Starring
okay.
Tom
well,
Cruise.
We'll see you later, buddy.
It's a real 747 they destroyed.
He made the cut. He made the cut.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park.
Well, this is interesting.
There, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sheriff. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Well, I do. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret.
This is unsettling.
It is smack dab in the center of the UFO hotspot. It's a bad miracle. You're about to find out.
looks really cool.
I think we're gonna take that advice and get out of here. And now throughout the tour, we've spoken about how we make movies, but right now we're gonna be putting you all in
cool.
a movie. So please remain seated.
Oh yeah, ride or die.
Ride or die!
Well, that was interesting. I haven't seen Nope yet, but I still enjoyed that a lot. Not really into spooky movies, as you guys probably know, if you didn't know that about me, but I'm still coming to Halloween Horror Nights, so cross your fingers and wish me the best of luck. And look at this little backdrop we have here. They've zhuzhed it up for good old Halloween. Look at that. That's right. That guy's here. I don't know who he is, but I'm sure that's just a prelude to what's to come. Through the magic of editing, I'm now down the lower lot and going into the Super Nintendo World, a kind of pop-up store, as it were. Wanted to show this off. I showed it off in a live stream recently, but I did want to go a little more in-depth for people who might have missed it, because there's some pretty cool merchandise in here for sure. I'm still kind of a sucker for this backpack. Look at it. This one is for $50. And also over here they have Mario's for $60, I believe. Yep, just double checking. He's a pretty big Mario too. This cool Bowser's Castle here too. Look at this. Oh my goodness. How cool is this thing? Oh. So thanks to the friend Naomi from the channel, she says that this means Koopa. So I was able to decode this right over here, which is a baby Bowser shirt, or Bowser Jr., Koopa Jr. That's what that means right there. It's pretty cool. But also they have these little pins now too. You can see the squid, the Bomb-Omb, the Chain Chomp, which says Wan Wan, which is Bark Bark, and then is it Terra Terra or Teresa? That's what the ghosts say. They are shy. They go away. That's, I guess, what that means. I hope I said all that stuff correctly. If you're looking to dress up as Luigi or Mario, you are all set over here as well. Like, they have so much stuff down here, and they're just gonna keep changing it out, adding new things, and all of this stuff will probably be in Super Nintendo World proper when it's all said and done. Little fire flower, little star, little mushroom, love it. They have the Goomba hats. You could get like a little question mark pillow if you wanted, a little question block. They've got the Toad hats over there. This store's got a lot of stuff in it. It's real good. People are really seeming to dig the Nintendo stuff. They've been thirsty for it. And you know what? I can't blame them. Look at this little Yoshi here for $20. He's super cute. He's a plump little fella, and I like him. Again, I'm not sure how long the store is actually going to stay in this format. It does seem to change from time to time, but I think until Super Nintendo World opens, this will be down here as the representation of it, along with the fact that they actually have it up in two different stores up the upper lot as well. Oh, you can even get a Bowser hat. Very tempted to try that on. I've seen a lot of people try them on today. Like a little star pillow too. What would you get? Would you get the star pillow or the question block? Decisions. I don't have a lot of time left, but you guys know it wouldn't be a Universal Studios Hollywood vlog without a Jurassic World trip. Oh my gosh, you have to go on it every single time. As you guys might have noticed, I've cranked up the frames per second, but also there's kind of a little dot here from when this happened. Everybody hold on! Yeah! Oh man, got a bit plastered. Yep. I try to get that fixed, so sorry about that for this one. There's that little dot, it just kind of drives me nuts, but the drums are playing and I'm having a good time, so it's okay. It's okay, we're going to Jurassic World. We're gonna have so much fun. Maybe add another dot to this. So pretty. Stegos. This is where you can get real wet if the winds are not kind. Oh, there's Mom. Hi, Mom. So good. Alright, let's see if we can get anyone to jump from the Ferris-Wheel office.
You will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World.
Oh, that water's coming down in an unfriendly way.
Creatures.
Wait for it, come on, someone's gonna jump, someone's gotta jump. Oh, not really, not as much as I wanted. Oh well. They've been taking a turn. Pay good money to be here. This is what happens. Oh, there she is. Hi, Indominus. How you doing, baby? I love you. Let's see up top. Oh, okay. Staring contest. Okay, she won. She won. Wow. At least we still have the lights. Oh wait, no, Sparky, please, don't do it this time. Sparky, no. Oh, Sparky, come on, man. You know I don't like the dark. We start with blue, and then we go over here. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Look at her. Oh. That's 60 frames per second, baby. And it's beautiful. I'm showing the drop. She's right above me. I love it. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the drop. There we go. I got hit a little. After action damage report, I got hit a little bit on the shoulder, a little bit on the pants, a little bit actually around the side here, believe it or not. But I went to dry off a little bit with a little Revenge of the Mummy. Went to go see my buddy Riley. Shout out to Riley. What a guy. My gosh. I love the team members. Thank you guys. Seriously. Team members, cast members, anybody who works in theme parks, you make it amazing. And you know who else makes it amazing? You for watching this. I appreciate it so darn much. Thank you. Again, I was saying this in the live stream earlier tonight. The comments mean a lot to me, and I have some plans for the future for the channel, some stuff coming up here, and I really appreciate you hanging out. And I hope that you're doing well, and if you're not doing well, I hope this vlog cheered you up just a smidge. Either way, until next time, a huge thank you, lastly, to the patrons. I have to do that. Thank you, patrons. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate that. And also, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye, everybody. Time for another bonus bit, because your patience has been rewarded. Oh my gosh. Just a little sunset walk out of the park. You know, I'm sad that it closes so early, but it's still very pretty here. I appreciate getting to walk out of the park with you guys. You know, little walk and talk, as it were. I was thinking about this. I think Jurassic World, you know, it has to be every time. It's #1. But, you know, Revenge of the Mummy, I kind of love it. I'm not a huge fan of going backwards, spoiler alert, in that ride, but I just like riding it every time, and I get along super well with the team members over there. They're great folks. Team members, like I said before, everywhere are wonderful. For some odd reason, clicking with the Mummy folks, keep it under wraps, thanks. You know. Yeah, you can see, oh yeah, here's some more stuff for Halloween Horror Nights. These like cargo containers, like half of them split in half. Oh, interesting. I wonder if they had two and they just split them in half and they just stack them up. I haven't really noticed that before. A little photo op over there. That's kind of cool. Yep. Everybody leaving for the end of the day. So not too bad, not too crazy here in August of 2022. But soon, before you know it, we'll get Halloween and Christmas and a new year. Oh my gosh. Right as I'm used to signing 22, it'll be 23. You guys ever feel like that? Just get used to that year and then it's like, goes insane. You're like, wait, what year is it? How do I spell my name? That's what I do. I say it that way too. Some sort of old-timey radio host. Again, thank you guys for being here today. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bonus bit. Look at this. They have this big Nintendo Switch booth all set up. People are playing Mario Kart, playing a little Splatoon on the big screen. You know what? This might be a little controversial, but I'm gonna say it. I think they should keep this installation forever. This is great. I really like it. All right, now really goodbye, everybody.